made ABC juice in a while, so today I'm making one. ABC, apple, beets and carrot. Okay, so I have 2 medium-sized beets, 4 apples and some carrots. This is about 14 carrots. These carrots are really small. I bought a big bag of carrots from Sport Shed yesterday, so I'm going to be making a lot of carrot juice recipes. So I'm going to start by peeling the beets, and I like using paper towel to protect my chopping board because beetroot stains. Okay, beetroot has an earthy taste, but one way to really reduce the earthy taste is by peeling it. At least for me, when I peel it, I feel like it kind of cuts down on the earthy taste. Another way to also reduce the earthy taste is by adding other fruits and vegetables like apple and carrot. It also goes really well with watermelon and pineapple. Okay, it's called a power food for a reason because it has so many health benefits. It contains nitrates, which can help lower the blood pressure. Beetroot is also a good source of iron, so it can help to boost your iron levels. Okay, see my hand. I'm just going to chop the carrots into smaller pieces so that it's easy for the juicer. Okay, so I'm done juicing. This is all the juice that I got from the apple, beets and carrots. Tasting time. I already know what it's going to taste like because this is actually one of my favorite juice recipes. This is one of my favorite juice recipes. It always tastes nice every time I make it. Whether I use more beets, less apple, more carrot, less carrot, the taste is always really, really nice. So good. It doesn't have that strong earthy taste of beetroot because of the apple and the carrot. They just balanced it out. Okay, this is really nice, and of course you can make this juice recipe for Christmas and New Year or even for Thanksgiving, and your family and friends will be so happy with you. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out the link in my description box for my ebook where you find more juice recipes that you can try at. So I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.